khakis, turtle. Squeeze myself into this. Oh my god.
Do you have any quarters?
I think I do. I hope I get it too. What did I get? I had a turtle? Oh, so lame. It's a tattoo. I didn't want the turtle. I really wanted the fairy. Oh.
I have some quarters in my car.
Oh my god, word. Can't believe I got the lame turtle. I don't know the fairy.
Fart night.
Oh my god. Oh, you get McDude's ham turtle. Yeah.
I just realized that.
I think it was.
What the?
Trash panda. Okay, do you want me to try again? You can try it.
Do you want your tattoo?
No, it's fine. I mean, you got literally trash panda. I'd rather a turtle than trash panda.
That one's not even on there. Like, how did that happen?
You could get some different ones. There's up to 10 you can get.
What are all these things? I don't really care about the stickers.
Oh, what if it goes in order? That'd be so cool. Then I get the fairy.
I want me to find out.
Please be the fairy. Please be the fairy. Oh, of course it opens upside down.
What the hell is that?
Forever in my heart. That is so stupid.
Wow.
Wanting the fairy. That's not even on here.
Check all these things.
Okay, we got coffee, but there's 2 pics of him and this bright wall. Took pics thrifting, but look at my thrifting find. I only had $2 on me. Actually, Jojo found it for me. But I only had $2. And this was $1.99. Isn't this so cute? I'm gonna squeeze myself into this, but it's like spandex stretchy. But it's so cute. It gives me Unif vibes. And then I can get those Unif cheetah pumps, and I look so cute. And he got, I don't know where it is, but. And we got those tattoos and the raccoon. Trash. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little thrifting fun day vlog with Jojo. This is Instagram. Go check him out. He's cute or whatever. And yeah, love you all.
It's single.
You know. Okay, bye bye.